How to send high quality videos on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send high quality videos on your WhatsApp. So first thing first, simply head over to your WhatsApp and choose any of the appropriate chat where you want to send videos. So what you can do is, when you try to open your camera and send the video, you won't be getting the original quality of the video. So when you send it just like this from over here, you won't be sending the original quality of the video. It will be degraded. The quality of the video will be degraded even if it's just a little bit. So to send your video completely with its original quality, what you need to do is simply you have to click this icon over here, this paperclip icon. And once you're here, simply click on document, and as you can see, it selects the original quality of for photos and videos. So you can simply choose from the click on choose from gallery option over and select any videos you like, just like this. And you can also enter a caption here, just like this, and send it to your friend. And when they open the video, they will be downloading with its completely original quality without any degradation in the video. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.